So today we're going to look at covalent bonding. Now a lot of students struggle with covalent bonding, but hopefully after this you'll find it a little bit easier. So let's start off with a basic definition. Covalent bonding is a bond that involves a shared pair of electrons. Now it's important to note that when we're looking at elements, a covalent bond is only a bond between two non-metals. So let's start off then by looking at fluorine. Fluorine is an element, it is a non-metal in group 7. So if we just draw its outer shell here, we can see that it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 electrons on its outer shell. And if we draw another fluorine atom on the right hand side here, we can see it's got exactly the same structure, again with 7 electrons on its outer shell. Now at this point we're probably wondering what these two fluorine atoms can do. They can't gain or lose an electron, but they can share this pair here. This is where the co in covalent comes, because they're coercing, they're sharing a pair of electrons. So if we draw this together, we can see that we've got are two atoms of fluorine. However, this time they are now bonded and they still have their 7 electrons on their outer shell, but because they're sharing a pair of electrons now, actually combining, we have an outer shell of 8 electrons for both atoms. So here we have the single pair. It's a shared pair of 2 electrons. And that one pair is equivalent to a single bond. So fluorine has a single bond between it. This is why the formula for fluorine is F2. See if you can have a go at drawing a covalent bond between 2 hydrogen atoms. This is quite easy as they only have a single electron. If you can manage that, then have a go at drawing a covalent bond between 2 oxygen atoms. Now this is a little bit trickier as they have 6 electrons on their outer shell. A hint, you're going to need a double bond.